guys. And guys, we are not, this fish won't able to eat until about 2 to 3 days, when it absorb all the sauce and everything just gel together. See guys, look at it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Guys, always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Welcome back to Elaine's Creative Cooking. Guys, we know Easter is just around the corner, and you know Easter always called for fried fish and you know whatever we choose to have it with. So guys, today, you know, I'm going to fry some fish. So I said let I take you along with me. It's not a lot, it's about 4 fishes, but I said let I share it with you. So guys, I'm going to show you all the ingredients what I'm going to use for this Jamaican Escovitch fish. So let me show you all the ingredients. So guys, here I have the fish right here. Here I have some garlic to put in the oil. Here I have some fish seasoning, and I have my black pepper right here. I have some sugar. I have some pimento berries. I have some sliced onion. I have a scotch bonnet pepper here. Here I have some chocho and some carrots. And here I have onion, bell peppers, and these are what I'm going to demonstrate to show you how I slice my onion rings and how I make my matchstick carrots and the chocho. So guys, what I'm going to do now, and the oil is over here eating up. So guys, what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to season the fish. So guys, I am going to add some, I'm going to put some black pepper in this fish season, and I put in any salt in it, guys, because the seasoning, or the fish seasoning rather, you know, they are a bit salty. So to be on the safe side, I'm not putting any salt in it, because we don't want too much salt, you know, in our food, or on our fish rather. So I'm going to do this. Guys, my hands are clean. Guys, I don't know what these fishes name. All I know, this one is parrot. See here, guys, I wash them in some vinegar and some lemon. Didn't have any lime, so I use lemon instead. So right now I'm going to season. I make a little slit on them, guys. I'm going to get in the corner here, because I want my fish to taste good. So instead of using the salt and the black pepper only, I'm using my fish seasoning. Guys, if you want to use your salt and your black pepper only, you can go ahead and just use your salt and your black pepper only. Guys, they're not so big, they are small. At this time, fish is so expensive coming around to Easter. Getting the corn crevice here, this little slit here what I make. Guys, I hope you're seeing everything what I'm doing of the camera. Get inside of this one. This is how I season my fish. Oh, guys, have to be careful of the fish bone. So here we have it, guys. You go right inside in the slit here and right here. See here, guys. So what I'm going to do, my oil is over here, my oil is here. I'm going to add a pepper in it, and I'm going to put guys, and I take off all the, I trim up my fish, I trim it up, guys, trim up my fish, take off the fin, cut the tail here, take off, yeah, trim it up. See here, guys. I just love to use my brush cut, guys, instead of my frying pan to do this right now. So guys, while the fish is frying up, I'm going to demonstrate and show you how to make these matchsticks or julienne strips, whatever we might call them. Alright guys, so let me demonstrate and show you how I get these to look like this. We're going to also do our sweet pepper like that. This is the onion. These are the onion rings. And guys, I'm using one onion. Guys, I rest it on the board and cut it to the end of part now, started giving a little problem. So I'm just using my hand right here now. Okay. Ouch. We Jamaicans call it chocho, but in other countries they call it chayote. See guys? Matchstick. So we're going to do our carrots now. And I stop them. See guys, this is all I do it. So I sort of cut them on the bias slide, or whatever you might call this. See? Set the carrot like this way. Then I stop it. So here we have it guys, this is how we cut it to get it like this. So that was just for demonstration. So here are my sweet pepper. I like to add sweet pepper to it. So guys, I'm turning the fish on the other side, so I'm going to show you. Okay guys, see here? Turn them over on the other side. And guys, I'm not going to allow my fish to fry too dry. I don't like it when it fries too dry. So here, the strips of the sweet pepper. I like to add sweet pepper to my Escovitch fish. And guys, these are my favorite part of the Escovitch fish, the vegetable part. I love to eat them. So they can't too much for me to do a lot. That's the yellow. That's how I do it, guys. So we're going to do a piece of the green now. So here we have it. And this is going to do our green, our Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't want too much because I'm afraid of pepper. Guys, if you want your own spicy, you can go ahead. See here, guys. It's our onion, our sweet pepper, and our Scotch bonnet. I don't use all of the Scotch bonnet. And here we have our carrots cut in match sticks and our chocho. So guys, this is what our fish looks like, and I think they can move from the pot now. You guys see it? So guys, I'm going to allow these to fry off, and then when I take out these, I'll come back and I just show you what we will be doing next. So I'm going to take up these and to put our onions here, and to put our sweet pepper here. And we're going to put our Scotch bonnet here. And these are all the vegetables that we use to make up our sauce for our Escovitch fish. So okay guys, so we're going to take them from the pot. So guys, these are the two that I just fried off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in the other two. See there guys. So guys, as soon as these fried off, I will come right back. Okay guys, here's the fish. Guys, you see how them skin up? Here is it. And guys, I do this one off camera. I had another one to it, so I cut this one and season it. Cut it in two because it was already cleaned and washed. This one can come out now guys, so I'm resting them right here. So this piece leaf to finish off. You know guys, while I was cutting the carrots and I said to cut it on the bias, I think I used the wrong word. I'm not sure if it's diagonal. Somebody can correct me. When I say cutting it on the bias, it's not bias. I think I'm wrong. So guys, what I'm going to do, and here I had a piece of yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, I'm just waiting on that fish, and I want to make the sauce in this pot. So as soon as this finish fried off guys, we'll come back and we'll put our sauce together for our Escovitch fish. Okay guys, we are going to put our sauce together now. Finish fried off our fish, and this is what it looks like. So we are going to go ahead now and put our sauce together. So let's jump over here. We're going to do the sauce in this saucepan. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take up some of this fish oil and I'm going to pour it in this pot. I don't think I want a lot, a little bit more. Here we have it. And guys, this is about a tablespoon of oil. So I'm going to put in these. Guys, this is not going to take no long time to cook, you know. No long time, because they are thinly sliced, matches stick. This is what we call julienne. So find these a little. And guys, this is my favorite part of the Escovitch fish, the veg. What I love. And guys, remember, we don't want these to cook soft. I'm going to add my onion, and this is 1 onion, guys. We don't want them to cook soft, we want them to eat chow chow. And you know, the sweet pepper, guys, don't take a long time. I'm going to put in my Scotch bonnet. I'm going to add our Scotch bonnet, pepper. Guys, I hope it's not too spicy because I am afraid of pepper. Guys, we have our vinegar, and I'm going to add a half cup of vinegar, white vinegar. Half cup. I had a little water. I'm going to put some sugar in, and this sugar is going to counteract the acid in the vinegar. I'm going to also add a little salt. This one mix with the sugar. This is our preserve, guys, for our Escovitch fish. Guys, I'm adding a little salt, just a little bit. I'm going to now add my sweet pepper. This is it, guys. This is how I make my pickle for my Escovitch fish. Look at it, guys. So guys, I'm going to do a little taste right now. Sweet pepper. We want them to eat crunchy, that crunchy bite. I'm going to taste a little now, guys, to See what the sauce tastes like. Oh guys, tastes good. It tastes good. That sugar counteract the acid from the vinegar. See guys, the sauce is finished. Let me taste the carrot, guys. Don't want to dry it out too much, so guys, I'm going to taste one of the carrot and one of the chocho. Yes. Here guys, this is what it looks like for a pickle. So guys, when I come back, we will just plate our fish, and then we'll add our sauce to it, our escovitch sauce to our fried fish, because this is not yet escovitch fish because the sauce don't go on to it as yet. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now guys, we're going to set this up now. Let us show you how I'm going to do this. We are going to take our smoke. I'm going to place it in the bottom of our dish. This is what I do. We are making a base for our fish. Guys, don't mind my hands are clean. See guys, we are making, see there? So what I'm going to do now, I want everything on it guys, everything. So this is what we're going to do now guys. We're going to spread our vegetable over our fish. See there guys. And guys, this fish won't be able to eat until about 2 to 3 days, when it absorb all the sauce and everything just gel together. See guys, look at it. Oh, beautiful it is. Wow guys, it tastes so good, only because it has a little bit on the peppery side. See there guys. Ooh. See guys, so this is our Escovitch fish, Jamaican Escovitch fish. See here guys, this is our Escovitch fish, Jamaican Escovitch fish. And this can either be eaten with rice and peas, fried dumplings, festival, you name it. Anything you choose to have this with, you can have it with it guys. So guys, I want to say thanks for watching, thanks for coming along with me guys. Guys, please remember to share and like and subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell, that whenever time I upload another video, you will be the first one to be notified. Guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.